Hello, this is Straight Person 96.
And this is Drago 285.
And together we're Ultros 25. And on Spore we made all these adventures.
Let's start off with our first adventure called, if we can find it, the Nature Wrath.
You will kill a lot of things. 15 points, and we are currently not logged on.
Now, Straight Person, which character should we use today?
Well, obviously, we shall choose my most original creation, Ninja.
Ninja? What does he have?
Well, as you can see, he has Energy Slashers, level 2. Missile Attack, number 3. He could kill you. Lightning Strike, level 2. And Pulse Blast, number 2. Evidently, everything except the Missile Blast is level 3.
Okay, let's start the adventure.
Here we go. Yes, I already...
As you currently see, that he already used this captain for this adventure. But who cares about it?
Evidently, these I want to use because I like these people. Now let's get started.
Yes, the Nature Wrath. You will kill a lot of things. Kill lots of things. Things need to be killed. And apparently this thing always likes to take its time.
That's why we don't like Spore that much. But it's fun, so who cares? Hold on. Stupid spirally pie.
Come on, you stupid Spore. Load already.
What do you think we did, Drago 25?
I think we're doing pretty good so far. But Lord Mongoose, are you listening to this? Me and Straight Person are your biggest fans. So
okay, well, we're not crazy big fans of your work. We just like your creations. Yeah, exactly. So if you get a chance to watch any of these, it'll be honorous to us.
Come on, start already.
My God, I know that we made it, but seriously.
It doesn't need to take this long to load it.
Peace.
Really, Straight Person?
I could do whatever I want in this video. Can't you see? Okay, evidently it's already been 3 minutes since we started. Sorry, you might hear us whispering. We were just talking about something. Anyways, guess who is holding the camera and who is messing with the cursor? Answer it right, and you will be considered a ninja to me. Unless you are able to finish the Ninja Training Academy. Also, I'm making another adventure like that. It's going to be a sequel. Wow.
Apparently, it's been 4 minutes and 12 seconds since we started this video, and yet this stupid adventure won't start.
Don't worry, this is pretty much practically worth the wait, because this is a pretty cool adventure. You might, if you played this before, it's actually kind of cool, and a little bit hilarious too. And in the end, it'll get hard. So, big deal. Ooh, what the heck is that? From now, you shall deserve to look at this spiral right here.
Come on, Straight Person, stop messing around.
Fine. we are evidently... This is taking way too long. We shall wait another 1 minute. If it doesn't start, we shall make another video containing our real adventure. Although this is only going to be one video. Seconds left.
Come on, man. Start it already. We waited 5 minutes for you to start.
Okay, this is obviously taking way too long. Oh, well, we'll see you when we get back. Now we must close.